How to check story rewatch count on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you are into app focused how to videos, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to check your story rewatch count on Snapchat. It's quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Open up your Snapchat app, then go to the profile icon on the top left, and then you'll be able to see your story. Tap on it and then again tap on the pop-up, and you can see the views and the screenshot and replies option. You will see how many viewers you have, but the rewatch count isn't visible by default. To see the rewatch count, you'll need to enable Snapchat Premium. So for that, you can come back and then go to the gear icon on the top right and then tap on Join Snapchat for $0.99. So, as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you will see a little eye emoji next to your story. This indicates how many friends have rewatched it. However, keep in mind that it won't show you exactly who rewatched it or the total number it was rewatched. So, I hope this helps you get more insights into Snapchat stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.